Baby First. Click the subscribe button below.
An enormous golden surprise egg. And here comes Goo Goo. Wow! What's in the egg, Goo Goo? What do you think? It's so big. It's bigger than you. It's the best surprise in the world. Don't touch. Do you want to know what's in the egg, Goo Goo? So let's play a game. 1, 2, 3, 4 hidden surprise eggs. 4. Are you ready to go and find them, Goo Goo? Okay, do you see that white egg? You need what's inside. Okay, how are you going to get up? It's high. Good, Goo Goo. Climb the wall so you can open the white egg. Ooh, what's inside? A whistle! You'll need that whistle to blow and open the golden egg. Not yet, Goo Goo. You want to open the golden egg, Goo Goo. But there are 3 more eggs left. So now you have to find a ladybug. Where is it? Where do you think it is? You think the ladybug is in there? But how will you get it down, Goo Goo? Do you have an idea? Oh, what is that? It looks like a catapult. What are you going to do with a catapult? A bouncy trampoline? A trampoline and a catapult and the surprise egg. What are you going to do? Goo Goo's flying in the air. Catch the egg. And again. Oh, so close. Try and catch it this time. There, you got it. Let's open the egg. The ladybug. You found it. Well done, Goo Goo. That was a clever idea, Goo Goo. Not yet, Goo Goo. You still have 2 eggs to find. Look behind you. You see that bath of eggs? There's an egg in there with a chick inside. Go and find the chick. Which egg has got the chick inside? Is that the chick? A camera! Is that the chick? A bouncy rubber toy. Ooh, what is that? Which egg has the chick, Goo Goo? A dinosaur. A baby dinosaur. Where's the chick, Goo Goo? Is it in that big blue egg? Yeah, you think so? You found the chick, Goo Goo. Well done. You got it. The chick is walking by himself. You're nearly ready to open the golden egg. Just 1 more hidden egg. Oh, you think it's under the sand? But if there's an egg in there, how will you get it out, Goo Goo? A spade. That's a good idea. Spades are good for digging sand. But you've still got to get the cover off the sand. Wow, look at that beautiful sand. I wonder if there's a surprise egg inside. What is it? Is that a surprise egg? It is! It's a surprise egg! A silver surprise egg. You were right, Goo Goo. The egg was buried in the sand. Open the egg, Goo Goo. What's inside? Gold coins. You found all the surprise eggs. Now you can open the golden egg. Blow the whistle and open the egg. Let's see what's inside. Harder, Goo Goo. Oh, the egg is cracking. Whistle again. It's Gaga! A friend, Goo Goo. A friend is the best present in the world. With a friend, you can dance together, you can sing together, and you can play together. It's so much fun to have a friend.
Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.